Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty rainbow ice cream. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of red food coloring, 1 liter of milk, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, 8 to 9 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of milk powder, and lastly 2 tablespoons of custard powder. In a medium-large pot, start by pouring the milk. Then add 4 tablespoons of milk powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix everything well and let the milk to boil on a low-medium heat. Followed by 8 to 9 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more, that's up to you. Then continue mixing and let the milk to continue to boil. In a medium small bowl, I'm going to add the remaining milk. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of custard powder and 1 teaspoon of cornflour and mix everything well. Stir constantly to avoid the milk from having any lumps. Then you're going to add the mixture of the custard powder into the milk and mix everything well and let the milk to continue to boil. Make sure the heat is on low-medium fire so that the milk doesn't stick at the bottom. Once the milk is nicely boiled and thick like this, then your milk is ready and remove it from the fire and place aside to cool down. When the milk has cooled down, you're going to pour the milk into a blender and blend it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, your milk should be well blended like this, then your milk is ready. Then afterwards, I'm going to divide the milk into 3 portions so that I can have 3 different flavors. You can divide it into 4 portions or 5, that's up to you. On the first portion, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. The second portion, I'm going to add red food coloring. Make sure you add a bit so that the ice cream doesn't get bitter. And then the last one is just going to be the same. Then you're going to mix the 2 portions very well and nice. And my 3 ice cream flavors are ready, as you can see in the video. Cover them properly and place them in the freezer for approximately 3 to 4 hours. And after 3 to 4 hours, remove the ice cream from the freezer. Your ice cream should be a bit solid like this. Then take 1 portion at a time, put in a blender and blend till everything is well blended till smooth. Once your ice cream is well blended like this, pour in the same container, then cover and place it in the fridge. Continue blending the two flavors. Place in a blender and blend till smooth. Once ready, put in a container, then cover and place the chocolate and vanilla ice cream in the fridge. Then afterwards, you're going to take a medium-sized container, pour the strawberry ice cream in the container, then cover and put in the freezer for approximately 5 to 6 hours till solid. After 5 to 6 hours, our strawberry ice cream is ready and it's solid. Then you're going to take the vanilla ice cream, which is in the fridge, then pour at the top, then afterwards cover and place it back in the freezer so that they can become both solid. After 5 to 6 hours, our strawberry and vanilla ice cream are both solids. Lastly, remove the chocolate mixture which is in the fridge and pour at the top, and place the ice cream once more in the freezer for another 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, our rainbow ice cream is ready, as you can see in the video. Let it melt for 15 minutes before removing it from the container. And after 15 minutes, flip the ice cream and remove the ice cream from the container. And my chocolate, vanilla and strawberry ice cream is ready, as you can see in the video. This ice cream is so tasty. Cut your ice cream into sliced pieces and enjoy your ice cream. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.